Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new email marketing tool we've built, BlastCraft. BlastCraft is an easy-to-use email campaign platform designed to help you create, send, and track email campaigns all in one place. Whether you're a marketer, developer, or small business owner, BlastCraft gives you full control over your email communication. So what is BlastCraft? It's a lightweight web app for email marketing automation designed to make sending newsletters, announcements, and campaigns super simple. You can easily create beautiful email templates using an HTML code editor, import your contact lists, set up your SMTP credentials, launch campaigns, and track detailed reports on delivery. Everything happens in one clean, intuitive interface. Let's start with templates. In BlastCraft, you can create your email content by pasting your own HTML code. You can also personalize your emails using variables like name and company, so every message feels custom-made for each recipient. Once your template is ready, simply save it to your library and you'll be able to reuse it in future campaigns. Next, let's move to contacts. Here you can upload your recipient list from a CSV file, for example, a file with columns like name and email, or create a contact list manually. BlastCraft automatically validates your emails, checking for duplicates and syntax errors, so you don't waste time or risk sending to invalid addresses. All your recipients are securely stored and organized for future campaigns. Before sending emails, you'll need to configure your SMTP settings. BlastCraft lets you add your own SMTP host, port, login, and password, giving you full control over how and where your messages are sent. Once your templates and contacts are ready, it's time to launch a campaign. Select your email template, choose your recipient list, and hit send. BlastCraft manages the entire delivery process with built-in throttling and delay options to prevent SMTP blocking. Simple, fast, and efficient. After sending, you can check your reports to see how your campaign performed. Here you'll find successful deliveries, date and time, errors, and reasons why. And that's BlastCraft, your all-in-one email campaign tool built for simplicity and control. If you'd like to try it out, visit BlastCraft online and see how easy it is to build, send, and analyze your email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback.